Welcome to our steel factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how steel is made, step by step by step.
The steel-making journey begins with raw materials arriving at the factory.
Each batch is carefully tested to ensure quality and purity. Materials are transported efficiently to storage areas. Automated systems ensure every material is stored with precision and traceability. Advanced sensors track every batch for accuracy. Materials move seamlessly through the storage system. Raw materials are cleaned and filtered to remove impurities.
Precision sieving ensures only high-quality material continues.
The filtered ore moves efficiently to the next stage of production. Ingredients are measured with precision before entering the furnace. Accuracy at this stage is critical for steel quality. Pre-mixed materials are transported efficiently to the smelting stage. The mixture is heated in a blast furnace to extract molten iron.
Molten iron is carefully collected for refining.
Molten iron is transported to the refining furnace.
As the steel leaves extreme heat, controlled cooling stabilizes its internal structure and prepares it for shaping.
This phase ensures durability and hardness, locking in the steel's mechanical properties.
Every second is calculated to avoid weakness or stress points, guaranteeing uniform stability.
Through enormous hydraulic force, steel is rolled into precise thicknesses for industrial use. Advanced sensors ensure each millimeter meets global manufacturing standards. Shaping steel at this scale requires both raw power and perfect precision. Laser-guided cutting divides the steel into commercial sizes used worldwide. Edges are refined for safety, precision, and compatibility with assembly lines.
Every sheet is scanned, measured, and verified before it proceeds to final strengthening.
Surface treatments protect steel from corrosion and prepare it for decades of endurance.
Uniform coating ensures resistance in harsh environments, from construction to heavy machinery.
Once dry, the material is ready for the final strength validation. Every final batch undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee strength, flexibility, and reliability. Organized storage ensures quick dispatch and efficient logistics for global distribution. From raw ore to industrial strength steel, every step reflects precision, innovation, and mastery.
And that's exactly how steel is made. From raw materials, through heat, pressure, and precision, all the way to the final product.
From start to finish, every stage is engineered for strength, quality, and reliability.
Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes industry videos.